Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Taurus placements. Okay, so this is shower, money, and love reading ngayong June. Okay, for the rest of the month. So, okay, again. So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Wow, this is nice. Emperor and the Ace of Pentacles, diba? So, ang ating mga items is all available. Oo. So, una, protection from evil eye. Our ring, this is adjustable. Okay, wala nang need o pagdating sa mga sizes. And syempre, meron tayong dalawang bracelet, isang adjustable and isang garterized, and yung ating necklace. Okay, so yung necklace natin is unisex. Okay, ganyan lang yung ating pendant. So, as you can see, meron siyang blue stone at the corner, at the center, I mean. And yeah, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay, so meron siyang citrine stone. Okay, citrine is for money. Okay, so andyan yung mga citrine natin, citrine stones, yung mga yellow stones. Okay, so kung ikaw ay lalaki at gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? So, kung gusto mo lang din itong gamitin for money, it's okay lang. So, talagang focus lang dito is yung love and money. So, kung hindi mo siya gagamitin for money, yeah, pwedeng for love. Pero, kung gusto mo yung dalawa, wala namang problem. Okay? So, yun lamang. And, syempre, kailangan yung ibigay yung totoo ninyong name. Okay? Hindi pwede yung screen name nyo or whatsoever na name. Okay? Yung real name ang kailangan. Please lang. Okay? And, kung gagamit nito, here we are manifesting good energies here. You have to protect your energy. Okay? With the use of with the use of evil eye protection. Okay, so kung meron kang available ng evil eye, then use it together with this, no? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So same as our love bracelet and money. Love and money. This is 2-in-1. So kailangan nyo ring i-protect yung energy nyo kasi si granter is taga-grant lang ng mga minamanifest nyo. We have to protect kung anong minamanifest natin, kasi hindi natin alam na sasabotahe tayo ng iba. Even though sabihin natin ginagawa naman natin ang lahat-lahat para ma-manifest ng maganda yung ating mga gustong ma-manifest, hindi natin alam na tayo ay sinasabotahe ng iba. Okay, so si granter, igagrant lang niya kung ano ang nabuo. Okay, so kung anong nakita niya, kung anong available, yun ang igagrant niya. So, ikaw, kailangan mong proteksyonan yung energy mo, yung frequency mo. Okay? Ganun lang. This is unisex, by the way, and made to order. Okay? So, yeah. And, yung ating huli, yung ating cord cutting. So, siya yung tagapag-alis ng MALAS. Opo. Ayokong sasabihin yung word na yun, baka mag-manifest. O, diba? Yeah, we don't say bad words. Oo. So, yun So, tagapag-alis ng MALAS para walang alat. Okay? Kaya alis kasi nito yung mga energies na nagbibigay alat eh. Okay po, yun lang. Yun lang ang pinaka role niya. Okay, nitong ating cord cutting para maialis lahat ng hindi magandang energy sa'yo. Okay. Okay. So, there. So, let's start. Kung may tanong, message lang po. Wag sa comment section, please. Please lang, wag sa comment section. Direct message. PM. Okay? So, Taurus, what's for you? Pagdating sa iyong kaperahan ngayong June, anong meron? Anong meron pagdating sa kaperahan ng mga Taurus? Okay. Taurus. One more. Money. The Hierophant in reversed. Oh. And okay, the World. So I'm hearing stepping up or leveling up. Status is going up. Okay, this is in general. Some of you, this is talking about your career, your business, yung work mo. Okay, so meron ditong sabihin nating iiwan na lower frequency para umangat. Okay, the World is here. This is energy of changes. Okay, changes. All in all. Yeah. Okay. Entering. Sabihin natin, entering sa higher. Okay, higher vibration. Yeah, the Page of Wands. This is new. Okay, stepping up. Parang ganyan. Stepping up. Excuse me. Some of you, this is talking about promotion. Yeah. Or entering a new business, opening a new business or another branch. Could be. Okay, so or relocation. I'm hearing relocation for some of you pagdating sa business or work. Okay, so may chance na meron ding ipo-provide na increase for some of you. Okay, an opportunity to work abroad for some of you. There's this resignation ako nakikita, and para makapag-work abroad, I think. I'm hearing visa. Pwedeng okay na ngayong June. Okay? Mag-start na, I think. So, what else? Taurus. In money, career, job. For Taurus placements. Okay, the 5 of Cups in reversed. And okay, the Sun in reversed. Okay, there's this good energy, I think. Like a surprise. Yung parang hindi nyo na mafi-fix, pero mafi-fix pa rin. Okay? Yeah. May mag-o-open na opportunity. Some of you, pwedeng merong marireject, I think. Pero sa pag-reject na yun, may mas magandang darating. Okay? Yeah, we're talking about your finances here. Okay? So, let's see. It's like, wag kang manghihinayang kung merong hindi matuloy ngayon. Or kung merong hindi mag-click. Okay? Kasi may mas okay na parating. Yeah, there's this new opportunity, I think. Okay? See? The King of Pentacles. Mas okay. So, wag kayong manghihinayang sa kung ano man yung parang hindi magiging okay pagdating sa finances ninyo or sa work or whatsoever. Wag kayong manghihinayang. Yeah. Kasi may bibigay na mas okay. Hindi nyo to ina-expect. So, what else? Last. Kuha pa tayo ng energy. Okay. Taurus. Money, career, job. In general, what's for you? Ngayong June, 9 of Wands in reversed. Okay, some of you, may chance na pwedeng magpapahinga muna. Oo. Vacation leave for some of you. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Yes. Okay, so it's the 10 of Wands in reverse. Okay, so may chance ng pagpapahinga. Okay. Meron ding energy talaga ng meron kayong i-reject or hindi i-approve. Or merong hindi ma-approve. I don't know kung ano yun. Some of you could be loans. Okay? Could be. Okay? Let's see. May aalis sa partnership. May aalis. Sabihin nating magsosolo. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Sana wala ditong energy ng, kasi may nakikita ako na tanggalan ngayong June. Okay? Hindi ko to i-sugarcoat. Meron ako nakikitang tanggalan ngayong June. Tanggalan sa work. Okay? So, ikaw, kung sa tingin mo, medyo ganito na yung pinapasukan mo, mas maganda ka. Gawin mong gabay ito. Okay? Nakakita ko na pwedeng meron ditong maaalis. Or, sabihin nating magbabawas ng tao. Okay? Kasi parang yung energy is like, kailangan magtipid. So, mayroong magbabawas ng tao or mayroong mga aalisin sa work. So, maging handa. Okay? Maging handa. Yeah, the Fool. The Star in reverse. Yeah. I don't know. Some of you, sabihin nating yung mga ganto-ganto na na business, may chance na mag-close ngayong June. Yeah, I don't do sugar-coated readings. Okay? So, kung ikaw, gusto mo pang isalba, gumawa ka ng new strategy. Kung ikaw yun. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Okay? The person on Taurus mind. Who is this? Person on your mind, Taurus. Anong situation nyo? Let's see. Let's get the situation you're in. Taurus. The Chariot universe. Some of you could be dealing with a Cancerian. Okay. The Chariot universe. There's no improvement, I think. No improvement, no progress. Page of Cups. Walang nagle-level up pagdating sa emotion, I think. Parang meron na lang lagi ditong nakadepende sa isa. Parang lagi may nakadepende. Some of you, this is immaturity. Immaturity pagdating sa sitwasyon. Ten of Pentacles. Judgment. Yeah, I think this is a cycle. A cycle. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. Alam niyo yung word, alam niyo yung energy na parang meron ditong nasasanay na nagkakaroon na ng katoksikan kasi nasasanay siya. Every time magkakaroon ng pagkakagalit, dapat meron kang ipo-provide. So, parang habit na. So, yeah, medyo toxic, no? Kasi hindi nagkakaroon ng improvement or progress or maturity pagdating sa connection. I don't know kung talagang nasanay or sinanay mo na lang to, Taurus, kasi you're providing everything. I see you. Some of you, you're a provider. You have here the Ten of Pentacles. That's your energy. An earth sign. You're providing. Kung ano man, yung parang kailangan lagi ng taong ito, kung ano man. The situation, I think. So, who is this person? Let's see. Anong meron sa kanya, Taurus? Anong meron dito sa person mo? Some of you, they could be younger. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. It's like a blockage. Yung person mo, they act like they're the blockage. Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Hindi ko alam kung yung person mo is somebody who is so materialistic or talagang waldas. Waldas kung waldas. Andun din yung ang hilig humingi. Para lang maging okay yung situation. So, hindi ko nakikita na ito ay sabihin nating sobrang laking issue. Pero kung palaging ganito, nakaka-toxic. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng mag-asawa na kayo eh. Hindi ko alam kung you find this situation cute. Pero hindi no? Oo. Nakaka-stress. Sa totoo lang. No? Lalo na kung hindi pa naman kayo mag-asawa nito. Demand. Demanding yung person mo, Taurus. They are. At nakikita mo ito na parang kapag nawala sa'yo, malaki ang mawawala sa'yo. Or feeling mo miss opportunity if ever. Sinanay mo to. Some of you, I'm blaming you. Kung bakit to ganito sa'yo. Ikaw sinisisi ko. Okay? Anyway, kung mas mahal mo tong tao, well, ayun ang dahilan ng iba sa inyo. Kasi po, love ko siya Kaya, okay lang. Anyway, kanya-kanya namang sitwasyon, no? Kanya-kanyang, sabihin nating, lakas, no? Lakas ng love, oo, pagdating sa kani-kanilang makaka-connect. Anyway, let's see. Ano ba ang emosyon ng taong to sa'yo? They want you, all on me, parang ganyan. Oo. So, parang parang andyan yung energy ng jealousy, andyan yung ako lang ang masusunod dito, Taurus. Well, hindi na nakakabigla. Hindi na nakakabigla to. Oo, temperance. They're in balance. There's imbalance. There's energy of imbalance, energy of unfair. They're unfair. They are unfair. Okay? Being unfair. Feeling niya every time na ikaw ay magfo-focus sa isang bagay, nakukulangan na. Nakakaramdam siya ng kulang pagdating sa'yo, even though na ipoprovide mo everything, di ba? Nakaka-toxic. What is their next action? Nakakasakal to, Taurus. Kumusta ka? Hindi ka pa ba nasasakal? Let's see. What is their next action towards you? King of Pentacles. They're the boss, Taurus. They are the boss. They are. See? The Emperor. They are the boss. Ikaw siya yung masusunod. Gusto niya siya yung masusunod. They're the boss. Ikaw, susunod-sunod ka lang sa kanya. You're feeding a monster. You are feeding a monster. Anyway, kung asawa mo naman to at mahal na mahal mo, di go. Pero kung sa tingin mo hindi pa naman, magkaroon ka ng balance dito, magkaroon ka ng limit, no? Anyway, kayo magkarelasyon, binabasa lang naman natin. Alam mo yung energy ng iba sa inyo, it's like umiiyak na, oo. Kasi parang sobra na sumosobra na to. Nagagamit ka lang yung emosyon mo. Okay? Ang sandata ng taong to is emosyon mo. Ginagamit nila yung emosyon mo laban sa'yo. Gets? Yeah. They are the boss. Next action, they are the boss. Ako lang masusunod dito. Ako mag-control dito. Ako ang may power dito. What's the advice for you, Taurus? What's the advice? Seven of Swords in reversed. And the Four of Pentacles in the reverse. The Fool is here. Again, the Six of Pentacles. Kung ikaw, sa tingin mo, tama ang pagbibigay mo. Okay? This is having boundaries, having limits. Pero kung sa tingin mo, mali na, Tama pa ba? Mali na ba? Dapat magkaroon ka ng ganyan. Okay? Kasi you're feeding a monster. You're like, sabihin natin, hindi siya nagiging patas sa'yo. Hindi siya nagiging patas. Huwag ninyong iti-take itong reading na to like ito mismo. Okay? This is just energy. Okay? Hindi ito yung like 100% na story. Pero kung sa tingin mo nakaka-resonate ka sa energy, then take it. Lalo yung advice. Okay? Hindi ko malaman eh. Para siyang bata. Hindi nag-grow. Pag hindi mo naibigay yung gusto niya, magta-tantrums. Parang ganyan. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan magbigay ng kung anumang commitments, lalo na kung hindi pa naman dapat. Okay? Pero kung ikaw, kasal na kayo niyan, well, go. Diba? It's up to you. Aralin mo na lang. Aralin mo na lang kung tama ba or hindi. Na i-provide yung gusto niya. Okay? Kasi ikaw lang din mahihirapan eh. Yeah, kung ipo-provide mo everything. Kasi parang ang bata nung energy. Nakaka-toxic ang immature niya. Ang immature nito, Taurus. Napakabait mo. Napakabait mo dito. Yeah. Sabihin mo sa kanya, grow up. Oo. Okay. Ipakita mo, sabihin mo sa kanya na hindi habang buhay, ganun. Oh my gosh. Nasasakal ka na. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Nagiging dahilan na rin itong taong ito na hindi mo magawa yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Nagagawa mong palipasin or nagagawa mong sabihin nating palagpasin, no, yung mga oportunidad na gusto mong kunin because of this person. 'Di ba? Tapos kapag silang hindi nasunod, parang bata. I don't know bakit ganyan yung energy. Hindi porke na ipo-provide mo everything for them, sasanayin na, no? Para silang ang tawag dyan, spoiled brat. Okay? So, ikaw rin. Para kung nagpapalaki ng anak mo na sinanay mo sa ganitong ganyan, sa ganito, sa ganyan. Okay? Tapos, magagalit pa sa'yo kapag hindi mo naibigay. Diba? Sabi ko nga, you're feeding a monster. So, let's see. All signs are through Pisces for you, Taurus. Aries, they're trying to avoid you or avoid a tower moment with you. Okay? Taurus, okay, you're in their head, I think. You're in their head, but yeah, they're silent. Gemini, they want happy ever after with you. Cancer, there's no progress. Parang nawawala na rin yung energy dito ng interest. Leo, can't step up. Irresponsible, some of them. Virgo, a halt, a pause. Okay, pero some of them, they have something na pwedeng i-offer pero wala silang ginagawa. Libra, they want your attention. Scorpio, their back is turned. Some of them, they want a repeat. Okay, they want a repeat. Sagittarius, they're not committed. Or sabihin natin they're not, sabihin natin parang energy ng issue pagdating sa commitments. Maybe they're not ready to commit. They are not. Okay? Some of them may bisyo. Capricorn, ayaw nila ng drama. Aquarius, they want to talk. Yeah. Pisces, they want to end the no contact, some of them. Okay? Pero, yeah, some of them, if they reach out, andun yung energy ng blaming, boohoo shits, mga ganyan, no? Okay, so, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, Taurus. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And, yeah, yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter na nasa description box below. Okay, so, yeah, just be ready sa ating mga susunod na mga love letter na babasahin. Okay, so, yeah, they're anonymous. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.